We are here today to talk about breakthrough learning in a digital age along the longest street in the world, Sesame Street. And I want to give you a little bit of perspective from the workshop's point of view about where we're all taking this and how we're looking at all of the things that Connie talked about and how children are engaging with media in a Sesame workshop context. In order to do that, you really got to go back to Sesame Street's humble beginnings.
Hey, Gary, baby!
Grover! Grover, what are you doing here?
Oh, well, I came for the kugel.
The what?
You know, the kugel, the cute and delicious Yiddish treat.
Please excuse me, I'm in the middle of a talk.
Oh, a talk! I love talks. Oh, perhaps I can help you. Is it a talk about the Industrial Revolution?
No.
Oh, good, because I know nothing about the Industrial Revolution.
Well, that really worked out well.
Well, is it a talk about getting better abs in 30 days?
No.
Oh, that is too bad. Because as you can see by my amazing physique, I really know a lot about rock-hard abs.
Grover, it's not about any body parts.
Oh, well,
No.
then tell me, what is this talk about?
Well, it's about really teaching kids using digital technologies and new media.
Teaching kids using new technology? Oh, Gary, this is your lucky day because I know a lot about new technology. Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
Am I sure? Gary, do you see that edge right there?
Yep, I do. Yep.
I cut right through it, Gary. I cut right through it because I am on the cutting edge of new technologies.
Well, I didn't know that.
Oh, it is very true. And I can help teach the children of the world using my new technologies.
Okay, I hate to ask questions, but could you tell me one new technology that you use to help teach children?
Well, Gary, I think we could teach the children using iPhone apps.
Well, it's true, Grover. In fact, there are some apps that, everybody uses to teach.
No. Not apps. Everyone is doing the apps. No, I am talking about iPhone naps.
Naps, okay?
Yes.
You're going to have to explain that one.
Well, it
Grover.
is easy. You can put lots of information on your iPhone, right?
Right.
Well, then you just have to take a nap with the iPhone next to your head, and all that information in the phone will import directly into your sleepy little noggin.
I don't think that's going to work either, Grover.
Well,
No.
not yet, but once I develop a USB port for the forehead, it will work like gangbusters. Would you like to volunteer your forehead?
No.
But Gary, it is for the children.